How to make a homemade smoke detector for vacuum leaks under $10. First, I went and bought it for Harbor Freight. I don't know if it was gonna work or not, but I bought it anyway. Just to try it. And it was 7.49 something plus tax. And I cut a little piece of the hose. So right here you're gonna put the cigar in here, and this end you're gonna put it into the intake. You find a hose, put this in, and then put the other end into an intake, and then right here you you pump it back and forth, and just wait for the smoke to come up. It does work. It does work because I try it, and next time I make a video showing that it does work.